Peace and blessings, everybody. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time you see this. I want you to know that today is a new day for you. Hang on. God is going to do a miracle for you. But you have to be in the place where He is calling you. Hang on. God is going to do a miracle. Do you believe it? I hope you do. I believe it. I believe that God is going to do that. And I trust that when you walk in faith and not by sight, God is going to change you. And you're going to be completely made whole in the mighty name of Jesus. So pick up your bag and walk.